A bit different. Now,
Can't balance, man. Yeah, man. Same thing.
wait a sec. You can balance it?
Yes, man. That thing, man. Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, listen carefully. Because Billyboy, the Jamaican cowboy, has his guitar in the studio, live and direct. Play the guitar one time and let me hear say, a real thing, real thing, real thing. Cha. Cha.
No, we can't sing, right?
Give them the tune now. Give them the tune.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. I wake up this morning, the sun was smiling with me.
Hey, 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 hey.
Thank you, Jah, for the beautiful day you gave me. 'Cause I can see clearly now the enemies around me. They want to darken my sky with rain. They look in your eyes and smile, but into their hearts cold than the snow. 'Cause you know, sister, some of them are mood killer, them are spirit murderer.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And the more them fight, and the more Jaja pushing me further.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
You know, sister, some of them are mood killer, them are spirit murderer.
Fire for them.
Trying to darken my sky.
Big tune.
Well, respect.
Boom, 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 boom.
Ladies and gentlemen,